Hi, Michelle Castle with Guild Mortgage in Sherman, Texas. How to use BombBomb to edify your realtor partner. So you've got a contract, you've disclosed the loan, your buyers have signed all of the loan disclosures. Now is a great time for you to make your buyer's agent, your realtor partner, look good to the seller's agent. Know and understand a lot of times these agents have never worked a transaction together. And they don't know how the transaction is going to go. And there may be some times that they have to negotiate repairs or discuss part of that transaction. And so the better you can make your buyer's agent, your realtor partner look to that seller's agent, the better that relationship's going to be from the very beginning. And obviously, everybody wants to know how well everybody's going to communicate together because a smooth transaction requires lots of great communication. So the best way to do that, when you know that file is being moved into processing, introduce the processor, Edify your business partner, the buyer's agent, all in one video, and that call sounds like this. I am not sure, Tansy, if you have ever worked with Lisa before in a transaction, but let me just tell you, Lisa is an amazing agent. She and I have worked together for a long time, and one of her best strengths is great negotiation and figuring out a fix for any and every problem that might arise. We as a lender do a really good job of communicating every step of the way as well. So the file is now in processing. The processor's name is Tammy. Tammy and I have worked together for 15 years. She is amazing at what she does. I just want you to know every Tuesday you can assure your seller that you're going to hear from us as the lender, letting everybody know what the status of that transaction is every step of the way. We're also going to work through any challenges that we might have and make sure that we're available for any questions that might come up in between those Tuesday updates. But I just wanted you to know how exceptionally happy we are to meet you. We are so excited that you are going to be working with Lisa because we think that you will find that she is going to be one of your favorite agents and you're going to love working with her sometime in the future. Have a great day. We'll be in touch. Just doing a quick little video like that, edifying the buyer's agent to the seller's agent, and just closing that loop and making sure that everybody's all on the same page. What would make that even better is to make sure that everybody has each other's contact information, which you can include in the email after you've recorded that video and send it out by BombBomb. Hope this information is helpful for you. Think outside the box. As a modern day loan officer, what can you do and how can you use video to better communicate and make others look good in the loan process? Have a great day.